If you're paying for Fal, Replicate APIs, WaveSpeed is cheaper. It's an open source web interface with over 600 models to hand. It's got 12 tools that are free, including face swap, upscaler, background removal, all included for nothing. Also has a workflow editor and everything's priced per second. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to install it and give you a quick tour of how to use it. So let's get it on. So first thing we need to do is go to WaveSpeed. You just put in WaveSpeed in the Google search bar and it's this one that we need here, WaveSpeed AI, with a little black and white thing on it. And we just click into that now and that'll take you to the WaveSpeed API, take you to the dashboard. Obviously I've logged in and what we're looking for here is, we go up there, we just see the desktop app. Click onto that and it'll take you to this page, and then we just click whichever operating system we've got. Android, I've got Windows, and then we're just going to download it. We'll have a quick look at this so you can see the page, what stuff it's got. And the reason this is quite a good app to have, because it's got some free stuff on there where you can use video enhancement and things like that. But we'll go into more detail on that, and what we're just going to do is go back up here and then we're just going to download it, and it'll open a box, goes to your downloads. As soon as it's ready, you're just going to click into it and run it, and I won't go through that, and we'll just do it all together. So WaveSpeed's there. So now it's done, we just click into it and you'll get this protection here. What you need to do then is just click more info and run anyway. It's safe to run, it's a good product. So then we just run it. Anyone who has used this computer, or only for me? It's up to you what you're going to do. I'm just going to put anyone. Press yes. You can change where you want to download it to. I'm just going to leave it as standard. And we just install it and we wait for it to install. And as soon as it's done that, we just press finish. And that is it installing. And now you've got WaveSpeed on your desktop. You've got free tools. So you've got video, let's just zoom in on these. Video enhancer, image enhancer for free, face enhancer for free, face swap, video converter, segment arrangement, image erase, background remover, audio converter, image converter, media trim, and mega merge. So all these are actually free, so it don't cost you anything. Let's just go up on the menu here, see what we've got. So you've got the home, featured models, other models, playground, assets. You've got all the good stuff. You get a list of all the models. You can just put in here, search by popularity. So we'll just put, let's put video to video. Search it. As you can see, it depopulates and populates to whatever you've got. And then you just click into that playground and it takes you to whichever you want. So you've got templates, you've got history, your feed, workflows, which is new, which we'll go into a bit later. You can take it through a little, click the button to open the node palette and your toolbox. We're just going to skip that. And you've got all these nodes here, pretty much like FreePick and a few others out there, that you just put a prompt to a node and then you just output, put it there, and move prompt to prompt. We've done the free tools. We've got Z image. Now you've got the local models up here. You have to download all these models. GPU, then great. I haven't got the best. So you're looking for a 3080 onwards, 6 gig, 12 gig, something like that, to run it comfortably. And then you've got free images to use. And then you just look into what sizes I want. You just click it and it'll download it for you if you need to use it. We'll go down to settings. You've got your API key. Because you've downloaded it from your account, this is your API key. So you just save it and done. It tells you your balance. Appearance you can change, language, assets. Download timeout, 60 minutes, that's a long time. All your normal features. Don't want it, then you just collapse that window and open that window. And that is how you do WaveSpeed. Just to download it and use it. Let's look at the latest models. I would imagine they've got Seedream. So you've got Seedream there. Image to video. Video edit. And if you click into these, it'll give you the price. The one thing I do like about WaveSpeed is they're actually cheaper than Fal and a few other of these API ones. Don't know how they do it, but they do get it cheaper. And it tells you here that to run this, we're at the bottom, aren't we? Let's have a look. If you to run that now for 5 seconds, it's going to cost you $1.20 odd, which sounds like a lot. But then you got 15 seconds, and that's $3.60. So about £3 in English, in sterling, which is a lot, but this is the latest model. Those prices will go down. But when you think about you do a subscription for £40 and you use Seedream, you're only going to get like 10 or 12 of Seedream as well. So bear that in mind. But this does keep your budget to what you need to do. But there's lots of cheaper models out there, isn't there? So but we just come back to Playground or models and then just find a cheaper one. Image to video. So this one for 5 seconds, $2. So that's a cheaper one, $2.10. And that is image to video. Just click an image as you would do normally into there. The good thing about this is when you do it though, it downloads straight to your computer. You don't have to mess about downloading it. It'll just go to a download folder. I would imagine the download folders in here. Assets there. So you could just browse and put it to whatever you want. If you haven't got much space on your hard drive, put an external hard drive in and just put that in. And then you've got all your pictures in one place. You just browse and put it wherever you want to put it. So if I wanted it in my hard drive, local drive, I could just put it in there. So that is how to install WaveSpeed to desktop. Now, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to show you a different way how to get Claude to install it. And the reason I do that is because that gives Claude access to WaveSpeed. So Claude could do the prompts, send it away on autopilot, and jobs are good. And that'll be the next video, the next part of this video. So hold out and we'll get that sorted.